In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text-to-video in Veed.io. Whether you're looking to create engaging content for your audience or just exploring new ways to express your creativity, Veed.io offers a straightforward process. So let's dive right in and explore how you can turn simple text into captivating video content using this platform. First, start by navigating to the Veed.io main page. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account. It's quick and easy, and once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. This is your hub for creating and managing all your video projects. Now, look for the Create button. It's typically located prominently on the dashboard, ensuring easy access for all your creative needs. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a variety of options for creating different types of media. Next, spot and click on the Gen AI Studio option. This is a powerful tool within Veed.io that allows you to generate videos from text prompts. It's an exciting feature that leverages artificial intelligence to bring your ideas to life in a visual format. Once you're in the Gen AI Studio, you'll notice a space where you can type in your text. Think about what message or story you want to convey. It could be an inspiring quote, a short narrative, or an intriguing idea. Type your desired text into the provided area. Remember, clarity is key. So make sure your text is concise and to the point to effectively communicate your message. After you've entered your text, it's time to bring it to life. Locate the Generate button and click on it. Now, this is where the magic happens. The AI will process your text and begin crafting a video based on the input you've provided. Be patient. This process might take a little time as the AI is working to create a high-quality video for you. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your text into a video using Veed.io. Once your video is ready, you can preview it, make any necessary tweaks, and then download or share it directly from the platform. This is a fantastic way to create dynamic content effortlessly. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with different text prompts and styles, the more proficient you'll become at creating videos that truly resonate with your audience. So, have fun exploring and let your creativity shine as you make the most out of Veed.io's text-to-video capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy creating!